Good day, Madam and Sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Marilo Balioso, 52 years old. I have 3 kids, boys, but single parents. By the way, I work as a domestic helper here in Muscat, Oman for almost 6 years. My work experience is taking care baby, caregiver, washing, ironing, and cleaning the house. By the way, I'm trustworthy and hardworking, and most especially God-fearing. If you hire me, Madam and Sir, I will treat your family as my own. I promise I will finish my contract as long as you want my service. Thank you and God bless.